To change theme on POCO M8, open the settings for the first and go to the personalization, and now open themes. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now you can make sure that you are in the themes, and you can even go for some categories if you are looking for something. For example, if you are looking for colorful themes, okay, never mind. For some reason it just moved us into the fonts. So maybe let's go into categories here. That was probably the misclick. So let's go for digital. And now as you can see here, you can find all of those themes. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. So you have to just search for this one that are free. Even some paid themes you can unlock by clicking unlock, and you have to watch ad. And there's actually a lot of different themes, like for example this one. Take a look how cool it looks. It changes your wallpaper, icons, and a lot of things. In my case, as you can see, I can change the quick settings style, which looks really good. But yeah, you have to just search for the free. As you can see, for example, this one is completely free. We have to click download, and after it will be downloaded, we have to click apply in the right bottom corner.